Here we are at 6 a.m. and the Colectivo is taking us to a bigger bus, I think. Got a big tour today coming, so stay tuned.
Nope, I was wrong. We got to stay in this smaller bus, which is much more comfortable and more private. I booked the tour in the marina, Cabo San Lucas, with Cabo Premier Tours. I'll put their info below. So yeah, we're taking a day trip to go see more of southern Baja and this unique landscape of the Sonoran Desert. The Sonoran Desert's a really unique place. It extends all the way up to near Tucson in Arizona, which in Tucson they have a giant cactus called saguaros. Here have very similar looking ones, but they're not saguaros, they're cardones, which can grow even taller, up to 70 feet tall and live up to 300 years old. So yeah, there's so much to see in Baja, especially with little towns and beaches. We decided to jump on this tour.
We have another stop in the downtown of La Paz for enjoying the church and enjoy the Malecon Beach, the walks about La Paz.
With a scenic 2-hour drive from Cabo San Lucas, we arrive at our first destination in La Paz.
Hey, welcome to Balandra Beach. So I guess we walk around this mountain to see a really cool rock or something. Looks like a mushroom cloud. So we gotta waddle through the water because apparently there's stingrays everywhere. But the water's clear as heck, so very nice. A little bit cold, but that's okay.
Bami wants to make it to the rock by land only. She doesn't understand half the fun is the water.
Where are we at? What are you doing, Bami? Your bird's gonna... No stingrays yet. Yeah. Where the saguaros meet the sea. See the cactus? Look, mommy, fish. So many. Ooh. Warm, cold. There's some warm spots. And then cold spots. Just trying not to get my backpack wet. Okay, made it to somewhere where we can get back on land, walk. I don't know how far I have to walk, but I think all the way over there. What'd you find?
I don't know, fresh food.
Oh, right?
Yeah. Big.
You can open it and eat it.
Yeah. Yep.
Hungry?
Yeah.
I think the whole bay is really shallow and the water's so clear. I can't imagine how it would look with the sun out, all the blues you would see.
Yeah, just to even get into this beach, you have to have a wristband. Beautiful, huh? Almost there. Looks a lot farther than it is. Well, we made it to the rock. Looks a little concrete-y right here, if you ask me.
Yes, in 2005, the rock toppled over, and the locals from La Paz came over to fix it. Damage was showing, so they fixed it again in 2021 before it fell. But the rock is a sign of the La Paz people, and they want to defy Mother Nature and keep it right where it is. So yeah, if you want to come see it, you got to waddle through waist-deep water for about 30 minutes. On the way to the rock, I was too busy looking at the water that I didn't look at the sand. There's sand dunes right behind the beach over here, which are pretty steep.
Steep climb. Ah, I made it.
There's a couple nice cardones off in the distance. Cool.
Sand dunes straight to the desert.
What a view. Time to head back to the van and go on to the next location. The next spot won't be far because we're already in La Paz. Oh, by the way, La Paz is the capital of Baja California Sur. We just arrived to a beach outside of the main city of La Paz called Playa Coromuel. You're welcomed by a little restaurant when you approach the pier, so just checking it out. Pretty stunning how clear the water is, and you can see all the fish. I'm gonna have to go swimming. This seems to be a spot that's visited by a lot of locals and their families. I was also looking at some prices on the menus. Everything seems really reasonable. And look, the beaches aren't even crowded at all.
Bienvenidos a Coromuel, Playa Coromuel. Muy bonita la playa.
So this is our driver taking care of us today, Ricardo. I want to give him a bunch of thanks and respect for doing such a good job. Where are we going next?
Well, at this moment, I'm going to the downtown of La Paz in the car, go back to the restaurant or eat.
How far is downtown La Paz from here?
Yeah, it's 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Everybody in the van's really cool. One couple's from Mexico City, others from different parts of Mexico, and one couple from Chile. So it's really cool. Everybody speaks Spanish as their native tongue except us. So yeah, we arrived in downtown La Paz, and we're going to lunch, and lunch is, of course, part of the tour package. It was nice the tour had an actual restaurant for lunch. Bami got the fish, I got the chicken fajitas, and there was also another option of a burger. It wasn't the biggest menu, but still, it was nice.
Just hanging out. Watching the waves come in.
We're walking on La Paz's Malecon right now. Malecon's pretty much a Spanish term for like a boardwalk, as you would say in the US. It's right next to the ocean. What else would you do with your spare car tires that make a giant menacing snake? How cool is that, right? Yeah, so it seems like there's some type of street fair today with music and people selling their wares and little booths everywhere. So figured we'd cruise around for a sec and check it out. Hey, buddy. Oh, that guy's a little bit shy, huh? That's okay. Oh, I forgot. He doesn't speak English. Walking further on the Malecon, you'll notice different art pieces, like this whale shark. The place is famous for whale shark watching nearby, and I'd imagine other pieces that are representative of the people and the culture here. Oh, that's rad. An old Baja bug. You guys know the significance of a Baja bug? The famous Baja 1000 race, which starts in Ensenada and ends right here in La Paz, takes place every year. It's one of the coolest motorsports events on the planet. So if you guys are into motorsports, La Paz definitely has some significance. Now we're gonna head to Todos Santos on our way home.
Yeah! And here we are in Todos Santos, in front of Hotel California.
Hotel California was founded in 1948 by a Chinese immigrant named Mr. Wong. The hotel and the city it resides in, Todos Santos, lies on the foothills of Mexico's Sierra de la Laguna Mountains. It's long been associated with the 1976 song from the Eagles, so I thought it fitting this business across the street, Tequila Sunrise. If you're not staying here, the staff is really nice and will allow you to come in, look around, and take pictures. The lead singer of the Eagles, Don Henley, said the song Hotel California does not specifically reference this or any other hotel. He said the song's lyrics were moreover about the excess in California and Los Angeles in general. The city itself, Todos Santos, was originally founded in 1724 as a mission. Now it's known for its historic buildings, its art, galleries, and culture, and its great surf spots, among other things.
One coconut, please. Popsicle. Gracias. It's really good. Pieces of coconut. It's really sweet, fresh, cold, of course. Back to the hotel, they have a gift shop, which I just saw earlier. You could walk through a courtyard and get some roof access. So let's check this out real quick and see if we can't head up and check out the sunset. This hotel's so unique, we're gonna have to check out the courtyard for a minute and then we'll head up. And speaking of the courtyard, there is lyrics in the song that address it: dancing in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat, and many other references when you check out the hotel that you think, come on, really? The song's not about this place? Just an opinion. I think we only have a few minutes left before we have to leave, but I was hoping I was able to capture and highlight some of the best moments of today and this really rad trip that we went on. I wanted to thank Cabo Premier Tours for putting this trip together, and their Rockstar crew. They're over in the marina in Cabo San Lucas. I'll put their info in the bottom in case you guys want to check them out. But yeah, here we go. Made it to the top of the hotel. Thought I could. Rad way to end the day on top of Hotel California at sunset overlooking the Pacific. I hope you guys had fun checking out the video and a bunch of the spots in Baja. See you guys in the next one. After a week in Cabo San Lucas, it's time to get out of here. Not home though. It's time to go to Cancun.